On November 23, a massive volcanic eruption occurred in Ethiopia. For the first time in nearly 12,000 years of recorded history, the volcano named Hailyeg erupted. The explosion was so sudden and intense that people standing several kilometers away said it felt like a bomb had gone off. It produced a 500-foot-high ash cloud visible even from space. The ash cloud was carried by winds toward Oman and Yemen and gradually moved to Pakistan and India. In Delhi, several flights were cancelled because flying near such ash clouds is extremely dangerous. These clouds contain fine stones, glass particles, and crystals, which can shut down airplane engines. The glass particles act like sandpaper, scratching cockpit windows so badly that pilots can barely see. For this reason, many flights were cancelled not just in India but across the Middle East. The ash cloud is now slowly moving toward China and Myanmar. The eruption was so powerful that the sound was heard 190 kilometers away. Neighboring Djibouti even felt tremors. Villages 28 kilometers away in the Awadra region of Ethiopia were completely covered in ash. The good news is that no human lives were lost, as the volcano is located in a remote area where few people live. This area, known as the Danakil Depression, is considered the hottest place on Earth, with temperatures often exceeding 50 to 55 degrees Celsius and almost no rainfall. This area is fascinating for geographers because it is geologically active with many volcanoes. It attracts tourists as well due to its colorful landscapes, yellow, green, and blue hues caused by unique chemical reactions, making it look almost otherworldly. The question arises, why did this volcano erupt suddenly after thousands of years? The answer lies in the fact that the African continent is slowly splitting into two parts due to moving tectonic plates. Millions of years ago, all continents were joined together as Pangaea, which eventually broke apart. The African and Arabian plates were once connected. As they separated, the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden formed. Currently, the African plate itself is splitting into the Nubian and Somali plates. The area of Ethiopia where Hailyeg volcano is located is a junction where three plates meet, Nubian, Somali, and Arabian plates. These plates are moving apart, gradually tearing the land into three parts, in a region called the Afar Rift, part of the larger East African Rift. Looking south on a map, a 6,000 km long line can be traced from the Red Sea to Mozambique. In the distant future, this line will split Africa into two parts. But, distant future, here is geological time, about 5 to 10 million years, as the plates move at 2 to 5 centimeters per year, roughly the speed at which human nails grow. However, not everything happens slowly. This region contains numerous volcanoes, mountains, and lakes, such as Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Kenya, the Erta Ao Lava Lake, Lake Malawi, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Albert and Lake Kivu, all formed because the continent is splitting. As a result, the area frequently experiences earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and fissures. In July 2025, the Erta Ao volcano erupted, and the Hailyeg volcano also released white smoke. In 2005, a 60 km long fissure formed in just 10 days, giving a visual sense of how the land is opening. In a way, we are witnessing the splitting of a continent with our own eyes.